Hey everyone! Today we are going to talk about one of the most exciting free tools you'll find online, an AI image generator that gives you unlimited access to create stunning, high-quality visuals in just seconds. And yes, it's completely free. Introducing GenTube, your all-in-one solution for effortless AI art. Whether you want to create avatars, fantasy characters, or beautiful digital artwork, GenTube delivers fast, impressive results, all at zero cost. Simply type in a short prompt and watch as your ideas come to life. Whether it's avatars, fantasy creatures, painted artwork, realistic scenes, or even Minecraft-style builds, just click the link in the description and sign up. It's completely free. You can create your account through Google, Facebook, Discord, or email, whatever's quickest for you. Once you're in, you'll find a clean, intuitive dashboard that's super simple to navigate. Plus, you'll see a huge gallery filled with creative images made by other users. Need a little inspiration? Just click on any image to see the exact prompt they used to make it, and you're ready to start creating your own. To start creating images, simply head over to the prompt box and type in whatever idea you have in mind. But before you jump in, don't forget to click on the settings right below the prompt box to choose your desired aspect ratio. For this example, I'll go with 4:3. Let's try something simple. I'll type a beautiful girl. And as you can see, the AI is generating the image live in real time. Now, let's make it a bit more interesting by updating the prompt to say, studying. Instantly, a brand new image starts to appear right before our eyes. This real-time image generation is something you rarely see even in paid tools, and the quality speaks for itself. It's seriously impressive. Let's take it a step further and add "in the garden" to the prompt. And here's the result. Looks amazing, doesn't it? With GenTube, you can keep building on your image, adding people, objects, backgrounds, whatever you imagine. And the best part? This is one of the fastest AI image generators available. Your visuals are ready in just seconds. Typically, it takes about 10 seconds to create a brand new image. If you want a different version of your image, it's easy. Just click on the image and hit the regenerate icon. A fresh variation will be created instantly. Below the canvas, you'll see all your previously generated versions neatly lined up. Simply pick the one you like and click the plus icon to save it to your profile. That way, you can easily access or edit your favorite creations anytime you want. Now, let's try generating a custom logo design. Start by clicking on Settings and selecting the aspect ratio that works best for logos. You can experiment with a few options to see what looks the most visually balanced. For this example, I'll use the following prompt. Design a bold and creative logo for a coffee brand called Brew & Company. Incorporate elements like a coffee cup, steam, or coffee bean in a modern minimalist style. Use warm, earthy colors like brown, beige, and soft orange. Keep the look clean, stylish, and memorable. And here's the result. Pretty impressive, right? A sharp, high-quality logo delivered in just seconds. If you're not happy with the first result, no problem. Just click the Regenerate button to explore as many design variations as you like. With GenTube AI, you can easily transform simple text prompts into professional quality logo designs, quickly, effortlessly, and completely free. Now, let's try generating a product image. Imagine you're working on a promotion and need a stunning visual to showcase your product. It's simple. Just type a detailed prompt into the prompt box and let the AI do the rest. For this example, I'm entering my prompt, create a high-quality product image of a sleek, modern wireless headphones set placed on a minimalist wooden desk. Include soft natural lighting, clean background with neutral tones, and a subtle reflection on the desk surface. The headphones should be black with metallic silver accents, looking premium and stylish. And there it is, the final image, and it looks fantastic. The best part? You can generate as many new versions as you want, instantly and for free. No limits, no hidden fees. With GenTube AI, creating high-quality product visuals is faster and easier than ever before. Now, let's explore how you can create custom images using GenBlocks, a super creative and flexible feature in GenTube AI. To get started, just click on the Create button in the left-hand menu. From there, you'll find different categories like characters, subjects, places, and styles. Next, we have the Blocks option. On the right-hand side, you'll see a variety of blocks to choose from. Simply pick the one you like. For example, if I click on Magician Woman, you'll see it appear instantly. You can also create your own custom block if you prefer. Now let's explore how you can apply different elements to your block. Under the Places section, we have options like Japanese Garden, Moon, Realistic, Ocean of Clouds, Bedroom, Beach, and many more. Let's try City of Neon. The magician girl is now standing in the City of Neon. Now if I click on Rock Stage, she's moved to the stage with the neon city still in the background. How cool is that? It looks amazing. Next up, we have the emoji option. Choosing any emoji will add the vibe or theme related to that emoji to your scene. You can also switch the style of the block. There are tons of styles available like vintage photo, 3D animation, surrealist dreamscape, girl wearing a beautiful dress, and much more. Let me choose Surrealist Dreamscape first, and it's applied instantly. Now I'll go with the girl wearing a beautiful dress style. And there she is. It's such a fun and creative way to test different looks and vibes. And the best part? You can regenerate all of these images right here on the website. No extra tools needed. Let's explore the power of GenStyle, a feature designed to help you create beautiful stylized images in just seconds. To get started, click on the GenStyle button from the left panel. First, choose your preferred aspect ratio to ensure your image fits perfectly for its intended use. Now take a moment to understand draft mode. When draft mode is off, all images you generate are automatically saved to your profile. When draft mode is on, only the images you manually select by clicking Add to Profile will be saved. Perfect for staying organized. I'll start with the anime style. Here's my prompt. A majestic white horse running through a field of wildflowers at sunrise, golden light streaming through the morning mist, soft focus, and dreamy atmosphere. Within seconds, the image is generated, and it looks fantastic. Now, using the same prompt, I'll switch to the watercolor style. The result? A soft, artistic, beautifully painted image with a completely different vibe. Now let's switch things up and apply the cyberpunk style. Wow! Look at that! It transforms the image with a bold, vibrant, futuristic vibe that feels completely different from the others. Not happy with the result? No problem. Just hit the Regenerate button and you'll get a brand new version instantly. If you're thinking about starting a cartoon or story-driven YouTube channel, GenStyle is the perfect creative tool. From anime to cyberpunk, you can easily build an entire library of characters and scenes, all from simple text prompts, and it's completely free. Now, let's try generating an avatar. First, I'll select the realism style. Then, I'll enter this custom prompt. A friendly young woman with short curly hair, wearing a smart casual outfit and glasses, smiling confidently, with a soft blurred background of an office workspace. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, here it is. A realistic, professional-looking avatar, ready to use. Let's test it again, but this time with the cyberpunk style. The result? Even cooler. Bold, colorful, and packed with personality. You can create as many avatars as you like, and all your generated images are saved neatly under the My Profile tab. This tool is incredibly fast, totally free. And the quality? Truly impressive. You can generate hundreds of high-resolution images in just minutes. No design skills required. And yes, every image you've seen in this video was created using GenTube AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, share this with other creators, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.